Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will give you a recipe for pickled cabbage. There is one medium size and one small size purple cabbage. Wash and clean beforehand, separate the bad leaves on it. Then let's cut it like this. Remove the white and hard part inside. I couldn't post videos for a long time because my father passed away. Let's do the chopping process like this. I did it with a knife. You can do it using any tool you want. Don't forget to subscribe for free to support my channel. Please leave a comment and tell me where you are watching me from. Chop all the purple cabbage like this. Please share to reach more audiences. Put the cabbage in a large tray. We add 32 gr rock salt. You can use gloves while doing this. Mix well and squeeze 1 lemon on it. Let's do it this way again. I add 100 milliliters of apple cider vinegar. Mix well. Control the amount of salt according to yourself. Place in sterilized jar. If it is made this way, it can be kept in the refrigerator for 1 month. Since we already made 3 or 4 jars, it can also be used in salads. I made 3 jars and set aside some for salad for dinner. I used the water equally in the jars. You should definitely try this simple recipe, and your comments are important to us. Close the lids tightly. You can use it within 1 month in the refrigerator. You can enjoy the wonderful view. Thank you for watching me. Stay tuned for new flavors. Bon appetit to everyone.